And we begin at 5 with a look at the Snug Harbor Tower Cam. Sky's blue, sun is out, but it is cold out
It is
there.
very cold. 13 on your side, Chief Meteorologist George Lessons now kicking us off on this Wednesday with a first look at our forecast. George?
It was nice to have sunshine today to help make it feel warmer outside, but it was another cold night last night and again tonight. Let's take a look at the temperatures this morning across the area. Down around and just a little bit below freezing here in the inland areas, around freezing at the lakeshore tonight. Very similar readings, so another freeze warning, probably the last for a while, if not for the season. That would be great. From midnight to 9 a.m. for Muskegon and Montcalm counties southward, same areas that had the freeze warning last night. These are the predicted low temperatures, within a degree or so of last night's low temperatures. Don't think they'll get down below 28 here in Grand Rapids. That's when the fruit growers start to get concerned. We've had a few fair weather cumulus clouds that are dissipating at this hour. Next weather system not going to quite make it because high pressure is blocking that from coming in our direction. So we have another mostly sunny day and even milder temperatures here tomorrow. We were up into the low 50s this afternoon. We've cooled off now to 49 in Grand Rapids, but we'll be up into the low 60s here tomorrow. Closer to home, temperatures are in the mid 40s north, 44 up in Ludington. Onshore breeze has lakeshore areas cooler today. It is 54 in Kalamazoo and in Battle Creek, and in many areas it's been as much as 5 to 10 degrees warmer away from the lakeshore today compared to yesterday. Enjoy the sunshine tomorrow because we have a lot of unsettled weather coming our way for the weekend into next week. We'll talk about that in just a few minutes.
It was so nice to wake up to the sunshine and blue skies, and then I stepped outside.
I know, right? The Chief Meteorologist George Lessons outside with our forecast for this March 43rd.
I love it. Oh my gosh. You showed me a picture of Betty Davis looking sad earlier.
That's right. At the forecast.
Yeah. The forecast today was pretty nice, although we do have another cold night coming up here tonight. But another sunny day and warmer weather ahead. That's why the 13 weather ball is red. We have warmer weather ahead, at least back to where we should be. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. It's clear skies overnight, getting down into the low 30s once again. Chance of some widespread frost. Lots of sunshine throughout the day tomorrow as we climb back into the 60s, at least for one more day. Well, high pressure is controlling the weather patterns. Kept us clear and calm overnight last night. It will do the same tonight and during the day tomorrow, but the next weather system is going to start affecting our weather late in the day tomorrow. But you can see the clear skies overnight, just some high clouds late in the afternoon. Another mostly sunny day. That system that we've been talking about for a couple of days is going to be knocking on the doorstep on Friday morning. We're going to be on that back edge. So from Grand Rapids north and west, probably no rain, but from Grand Rapids south and east, that'll be rain on Friday. We'll get a bit of a break here Friday night. Saturday, here comes the rain in the afternoon. There'll be a little bit of a break Saturday night, but unsettled weather continues on through Sunday, Monday, where there might be some snow mixed in with that, and also on Tuesday. And then I think finally we'll get out of a wet weather pattern next Wednesday. Rainfall, not a lot between now and Friday morning. Most of that light rain will be to the south and east on Friday afternoon. And then we get a bulk of our precipitation on Saturday night through next Tuesday. Some areas east of Grand Rapids, up around 1 1/3 inches in Detroit. Up and through here, there could be 2 to 3 inches of rain, but some of that will be some snow, and we'll talk about how much snow will fall there coming up a little bit later on. Temperatures low 60s tomorrow. Yay, that's where we're supposed to be. Cooler, 54 on Friday with that northeast wind off of Lake Huron keeping us cool, and we'll be back up to around 60 on Saturday. Long range outlook continues cool, but not quite as cold from May 2nd through the 6th, and we'll continue with less precipitation. That doesn't mean fewer days. It just means we won't see that 66/100ths of an inch. Freeze warning for Muskegon County southward. Temperatures right around freezing or a little bit lower. Up north, you'll be in the mid and upper 20s. Freeze warning for Montcalm County and Greenville from Grand Rapids southward. Freeze warning here. Overnight lows right around 30. 13 on your side forecast. Look at all that unsettled weather, especially Saturday afternoon through next Tuesday. Wednesday we'll get a bit of a break, but still some more rain the following Thursday and Friday before we dry out the first full weekend of May.
Nice to see the sunshine. It would be nicer to have a little warmer air, George, and that's coming, isn't it?
Well, yeah, a little bit warmer. Yeah.
Little.
A little. We'll take a little bit. Yeah, back into the 60s here tomorrow, Juliet. At least it will be dry and the sun will be back out. Then get ready for a stretch of some really not great weather. 13 weather ball tonight is red. Another milder day ahead. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. The skies clear this evening for Chuck. Going to give you the green paw as Lauren takes you out for a walk this evening. It'll be in the 40s this evening, low in mid-30s to start your day with lots of sunshine this evening and again tomorrow morning. With that sun tomorrow, almost a perfect 10, 9.4 out of a 10-point scale to generate green electricity from the sun. Wind will be up a little bit here tomorrow, but not anywhere near what it will be later on next week. High pressure controlling our weather pattern, keeping the clouds at bay off to the north. It's going to provide us another very cold night. Freeze warning in effect again for similar areas compared to last night. Clear skies, high pressure overhead. We'll have very light winds. That's going to lead to the frost formation, but a lot of sunshine all day long. Some high clouds coming up here tomorrow afternoon and evening. Rain is going to be generally from Grand Rapids eastward on Friday afternoon, and then we'll get a bit of a break here Friday night. Saturday, that rain's still coming in the afternoon, and it will rain for a good portion of the night Saturday night through all day Sunday, and it continues to rain and even mixed with some snow on Monday before it changes over to back to all rain on Tuesday. So we got like 5 or 6 days of rain coming up. In terms of rainfall, not a lot here between now and Friday morning. You can see the heavier amounts will be to the east of Grand Rapids. In fact, up around Ludington, no rain at all until Saturday afternoon and evening, and then there will be a bunch of rain over that 4-day period through Tuesday. A lot of this precip over the UP and northwest lower Michigan is in the form of rain, but it's also in the form of some snow. You can hear all the gasps out there. Yeah, there could be a foot or two of snow over the western UP. That will all come from the cold air on the 29th through the 2nd of May. Yeah, let's keep that up north. High chances it will be cool through 4th through the 10th of May with higher chances for less precipitation. That doesn't mean we won't see rain on and off. It just means we won't get that 93/100ths of an inch over that 5-day period. Forecast for tonight, freeze warning for Muskegon southward, right around or a little bit below freezing as skies will become mostly clear. Mid and upper 20s up north, and from Grand Rapids southward, freeze warning overnight. Overnight lows right around 30. 13 on your side forecast. There's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of very unsettled weather. We're going to be in the 40s Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Back into the 50s to near 60. Dry Wednesday, but another round of rain Thursday and the following Friday. But at least I think the first full weekend of May will be dry. Another hard freeze expected here tonight as the cool weather pattern continues, but at least we did see some sun. 13 weather ball remains red. Tomorrow, more like average weather ahead with some sunshine, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Average high is 62. At least we jumped into the low and mid 50s away from Lake Michigan. That 52 came within 2 degrees of our forecast high. We have been within 3 degrees, which is our target for the last 15 days. Again, our cool, unsettled weather pattern continues. Upper level winds coming out of the west and northwest, bringing down that cool air. We're going to get a little bit of a reprieve here on Friday into early Saturday before the cold air returns. That is not going to change anytime soon. We'll stay in this blue area with that low staying off to our north and east. Continues to bring some rain and even some snow to the Great Lakes region all the way through at least the 6th of May. No break in that kind of cool weather pattern. Now, we've got a few dissipating cumulus clouds right now, but as we go through the next several days, well, we're going to see dry weather until Friday. There'll be some light rain from Grand Rapids off to the east, more rain over toward the Detroit area. More rain coming in for Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and that will continue on through Tuesday. By the time it's all done, many areas will see up to an inch of rain or more. There might be a few wet snowflakes mixed in on Monday. Forecast then for tomorrow, look for another sunny day. Mid and upper 50s at the lakeshore, 60 plus from Muskegon southward. The reason why it'll be warmer at the lakeshore is the winds won't be coming in off the lake for the most part. Up north, you'll break the 60-degree mark, 60 along US 10, 61 Fremont and Greenville. Grand Rapids southward will be in the low 60s. 62 is our average high. 13 on your side forecast. Enjoy it because some light rain, especially from Grand Rapids East, moves in, and then dry Friday night through early Saturday morning. Afternoon on Saturday, the rain returns. It lasts all the way through next Tuesday. Some snowflakes mixed in on Monday. Look at those highs Monday and Tuesday, low and mid 40s. And then another round of rain finally. I think that will be last for a while next Thursday and Friday.